How to withdraw Lazada wallet to a bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Lazada wallet to a bank account. First, open the Lazada wallet app and log in to your account. Tap on Account located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on MYR. Then tap on Activate next to your Lazada wallet balance. Next, tap on Activate and Verify. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code when prompted. Enter your phone number and the verification code. Once verified, you can proceed to withdraw funds from your Lazada wallet to your bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.